Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudinology's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of networking that is soon to occur at Salesforce Connections 2023, the ultimate event for industry professionals like you. Get ready for an unforgettable experience that will transform your career and propel your business to new heights. At Salesforce Connection Chicago, you're not just attending a conference but starting a thrilling adventure filled with learning, connecting, and inspiring opportunities. The bonus part is that you can meet Team Cloudinology from 7th to 8th June in Chicago, USA at Salesforce Connection face to face. Now, the question is, how can one build a strong network at Salesforce Connection? Well, let us tell you how. Craft your networking adventure at Salesforce Chicago. Connect with thousands of industry leaders, engage in over 250 plus dynamic sessions, and discover valuable insights that will shape the future of your business. Prepare for an event that offers more than just education. It's an experience that will leave you inspired and motivated. Unite, elevate, and innovate alongside marketers and commerce pros. Unlock the latest innovation, exceed customer expectations, and create epic experiences that defines your brand. Forge valuable relationships with like-minded professionals and revolutionize your industry. It's time to take your business to new heights. Connect with your customers in an extraordinary way. Learn how AI and data-powered insights can transform your approach, drive personalization, and create unforgettable experiences. Join the rank of customer innovators and become a trailblazer in your industry. It's time to unleash the power of customer-centric strategies. In today's digital age, networking goes beyond face-to-face interaction. Create a captivating online persona by sharing your unique perspectives, insights, and takeaways from Salesforce marketing events on social media. Engage in conversations, use event hashtags, and connect with attendees virtually. Your digital presence will amplify your networking potential beyond the conference. Embrace the power of storytelling. Instead of simply exchanging business cards, weave compelling narratives into your networking interactions. Share your professional journey. Highlight your passion, challenges, and accomplishments. By connecting on a personal level, you will forge deeper relationships and leave a lasting impression. Hold your heartbeats because Salesforce Connection Chicago brings you an exclusive opportunity to connect with industry icons. Prepare to be inspired by charismatic Dan Levy, Emmy Award-winning creator, writer, actor, director, and producer. Join him in captivating conversations with Salesforce CMO Sarah Franklin as they explore the profound impact of representation through storytelling and creating meaningful moments with your customers. And yeah, Team Cloudinology will be there too. Meet our experienced professionals who will guide you through the latest trends and strategies and solutions that can transform your business. Whether you need advice on Salesforce consulting services, implementation, customization, or assistance with Salesforce integration partners, we have got you covered. Don't miss the opportunity to connect with us and discover how Cloudinology can help your business thrive in digital era. Get ready to start on a journey of connection, collaboration, and personal growth at Salesforce Connection 2023. It's time to unleash the power of networking and take your career to the new heights. We can't wait to see you there. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you find this video informative and interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. See you soon at Salesforce Connection.